Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI B.Stat question paper from year 2016. Let's start with question number 8. In question number 8 it has been said that we need to consider two distinct arithmetic progressions, each of which has a positive first term and a positive common difference. Now let Sn and Tn be the sums of the first n terms of this AP. In that case we need to find out the limit n tends to infinity Sn by Tn. So let the first arithmetic progression be a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d up till a plus nd. Not a plus nd, it will be a plus n minus 1d since there are n terms. So this will be basically a plus n minus 1d. This is one series. And the second AP we can take p, then p plus q, p plus 2q, p plus 3q, and this will go on till p plus n minus 1q. Here we have been given that a, d are both greater than 0 and also p and q are greater than 0. They are all positive. They are all positive and greater than 0. So we have to find out Sn. Now Sn is summation of a plus nd, where n goes from 0 to n minus 1. So this will be equal to n by 2 into twice a plus n minus 1 d. This is the Sn. And now Tn will be equal to summation of p plus nq, where n goes from 0 to n minus 1, and this will be equal to n by 2 into 2p plus n minus 1 q. So this implies that Sn by Tn will be equal to n by 2 and n by 2 will cancel off, and this will give us twice a plus n minus 1 d by twice p plus n minus 1 q. So upon dividing the numerator and denominator by n minus 1, we'll get that twice a by n minus 1 plus d, this will be upon twice p divided by n minus 1 plus q. So this is the structure of Sn by Tn. So if we take limit, so limit n tends to infinity Sn by Tn will give us n minus 1 will tends to the infinity, so 1 by n minus 1 will tend to 0, and so twice a by, so this both these terms will tend to 0. So this will be basically equal to 0 plus d by 0 plus q. This will be equal to d plus q, which is nothing but the ratio of common differences. The option is not mentioned over here, but basically this is the process that we need to follow. So today we have solved the question number 8 from the ISI B.Stat question paper of year 2016. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Saurabh's classes for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.